Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Just walk in. That is me there. One primary assignment you have here is just to sit down and position yourself well. After positioning yourself, you can open your eyes wide, okay, just for a few seconds, all right? And after that, you can now, demonstrate as if something entered your eye, After doing this now, you can now walk out, okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, we are clicking on CapCut. You click on this new video. I want to use this background for this video. You click it and import it to workspace. Then you go and look for aspect ratio. I want to change the ratio. Click on ratio. Click on 9:16. You mark on that good and go back. Click it and expand it. Make it fit the screen. After that, you look for duplicate. So I will duplicate it to the number of our video. Duplicate it now. Then you come back. Then you go and look for overlay, guys. Click on overlay there. Then add overlay. You import your video. Look at your video. Import your video to workspace. Click on volume there. You reduce it to 0 and mark on this good. Then you want to go back. Let's locate where we want this video to start from, guys. Immediately you open your eyes wide. You make a split here. Delete this first part. Click this one and drag it to the beginning of the video. Let's locate where we want the video to end, okay? Go and look for where you want the video to end. Before I stand up, I am going to be making another split here to delete this last part, okay? Then you come back and click on the video, the second layer. You go and look for remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG there, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see that it is applying. But guys, just in case you have a magic tricks or effect you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section, all right? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. And just make sure you watch this video to the end. That is all we need from you, and that is the only way you can support us, all right? Click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop an amazing tutorial. You welcome back. Now it has removed completely. You mark on that good and go back. Then at this point you click on it. We want to expound it, all right? Expound this yourself and make yourself bigger. Then you position yourself where you would like to be, all right? After that, we are going to make a split in me before you close your eyes. You are going to be making a split here. Make a split at this point. Then you come back. You want to click on that arrow to click on overlay. Add overlay. You import your green screen snake, okay? You want to click it and remove that play part. Then you click it and drag it to the beginning. Then we want to make it equal to that splitted part. So reduce this part. You bring it. Just make this clip equal with this green screen snake, okay? That is what you can see that I am doing. Make them to be equal. One should not be bigger than any. After making it equal, all right, we have make it equal now. Then you come back now and click on this one and drag it to align with this. Make sure they are aligned, okay? Take time and align it so that it will look good when playing. After that, you click on the green screen and look for remove BG, okay? Click on remove BG, chroma key. You want to drag it, then you mark on this good. You go back, you are clicking it again to go and look for adjust, okay? Locate adjust, guys. Click on adjust, all right? You look for HSL, okay? Click on HSL here. You mark on green and reduce saturation to 100%. Mark on that good. You are going back. After that now, the next thing we are going to do is to push this snake up. After pushing it up, we are going to be duplicating this green screen. You duplicate that snake. After duplicating it, you click on this one. Position it at your eyes, all right? Make sure it's at the point of that your eyes, all right? After that, you are going to go and look for mask, okay guys? After positioning the snake, look for mask, okay? You click on mask here. As you click on mask here, you click on horizontal. Then you turn this line the other way around. Turn this line. After turning the line, you push it up by revealing the snake. Then you add your keyframe. As you add your keyframe now, the next thing we are going to be doing is to be adjusting this video, all right? When you adjust it, you drag this your horizontal line down. Drag it down a bit. Do it gradually. Then you mark on this good. After dragging it down, then you drag the snake up again to the point of your eyes, okay? Watch what I am doing so that you will not make mistake. As you drag it, then you adjust the video again, okay? Then you click on mask again. Then you still drag it down, all right? As you drag it, you mark on this good here again. You still drag the snake back to your eyes. Position it again. After doing the necessary adjustment, you still adjust the video again. Then you still click on mask again. Look at what I am doing. Follow this pattern, follow this step. As you do it, you still drag it down. Just watch what I am doing so that I will not make mistake. As you push the snake up and do your adjustment, then you adjust the video and click on mask. You drag the line down gradually. Watch what I am doing. Drag the line down, mark on that good there. As you mark on the good, then you push the snake up, position it to your eyes. After positioning it, you adjust the video. And click on mask again, all right? Click on mask again. So click on mask. You still drag the line down. Look at it. Drag the line down again. So drag the line down a bit. You still mark on the good. You push the snake up and position it in your eyes. Follow this thing that I am doing, precept upon precept, line upon line. Then you are not going to make mistake. Then at the end, you are going to get the video perfectly and exactly, okay? Push it up. When you push it up, you position it in your eyes. Do it gradually. Make sure it's at the point of your eyes. You click on mask again. You drag the horizontal line down again. You still come and mark on that good. That is what you can see that I'm doing. I am repeating it over and over again so that you will not say I do not understand and go and make mistake. Follow what I am doing, okay? Position it. After positioning it, you adjust your video. When you adjust your video, you click on mask, you drag your horizontal line down, mark on good, you still drag it up. Just follow what I am doing, okay? As you are doing it, you do it gradually. Look at what I am doing. Still drag it down. Finish now. Mark on that good. So at this point, you go and look at it. You can see you do not play well. So you take your hand now to be adjusting it so that it will play well. As you are dragging it backward, you are adjusting it so that you make sure that the entering here, bring that little tail you are seeing there up so that it will be at the point of the eyes, all right? Look at what I am doing. Then after doing it, let's go and play it now to see whether this part is ready or whether it's good, okay? So play this part now. Let us see. Look at it. The snake have entered into his eyes. So now we are going to be clicking on this second one, the one we duplicated, and bring it under this place. As you bring it, then you drag it out and come and position it in the other eyes. We are going to be repeating the same thing we did to the other one on this one, but at this point I know you have learned and you have known what to do. You can do this one on your own because I'm going to be fast forwarding this video now. I wouldn't want the video to be too long. So at this point you have known what to do. So after the whole thing now, we are going to be playing the video from the beginning. Look at it. Remember to add your sound effects and your light effects. After adding them, you export your video. If you don't know how to add them, DM me. I am going to put you through, as my number is at the description of that video. Then you click on export. Then you export your video to your gallery. This video I've installed in our gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, all right? Just in case you have a magic tricks or effect you would like us to grade together, drop them at the comment section. And don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there, okay? You're just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? And don't forget to locate your notification bell and smash it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.